Hello, I'm Robert, and this is Outdoors with Robert. Today, maybe some of you can answer the question. So, a grade 8 bolt, how much force does it take to shear a grade 8 bolt? My Wolfe Ridge Pro C28 sheared this bolt, so I'm just going to let you follow along as we replace it here. And it's turned on me a little bit, so I may have to futz with it a little bit to get it lined up. Let me get you a little bit better view on this repair. Yeah, the hydraulic cylinder is rotated a little bit, which isn't unusual. Maybe if I can get a hold of the bolt on the other side and get it out of there. Come on. Kind of hoping the teeth would help back it out a little bit. There we go. The Wolfe Ridge Pro C28 has a 1/2 inch bolt, and as you can see, this 1/2 inch bolt is broken there. Hopefully it lines up pretty easy here. I went ahead and got one with a jam nut. I don't know, in my mind, if it's not quite tightened down to where it's snug, maybe it won't put as much stress on it. Not sure why it went the way it did. I looked down and it was sheared off, to my surprise. I've got to get going. I'm supposed to be at a friend's house this morning to help them split his firewood for this winter. You know, maybe slide it up here and get it level. I think that might work. Hopefully you're not just looking at the back of my head here. There we go. Well, at least it was easy enough of a repair. I don't know what kind of nut they had on there, if it was a locking nut or a jam nut type or not. Got a little more slack here. Let's give it a whirl and see if it's fixed here. It looks like we're good to go. I need to get this hooked up and get on the road. I'm supposed to be there shortly, and I'm not even hooked up yet. On even ground, this is easy enough to hook up. Uneven, not quite so easy. I know. Put it in reverse and back up to it, couldn't I?